Good morning. My name is Carlos Alberto Almanza Rondon, and this is the presentation of Step 3, Identify Technology Value. This is group number 80. Lab of information on production costs, causes and consequences. Causes. Ignorance of production and marketing costs. Lack of reference on royalties in the sector. Lack of knowledge to value technologies. Lack of assessment skills. Consequences. Unnecessary expenses, waste of time, bad commercial exploitation, bad income, and result not commercially viable. Recommendations. Conduct research using different methodologies to be clear about production costs. Research on rare materials and technological tools that can create good quality products at a lower price and trying to be more competitive. Thank you.